Hello everyone, welcome back to Anshul Gupta MD. Today I want to talk about an important topic of acid reflux or acidity that several people have asked me questions about. More and more people are suffering from acid reflux or acidity problem. And the worst part is that the medicines that they're taking for these acidity have long-term side effects. So obviously people are looking for natural ways or natural solutions for their acid reflux, but unfortunately most of the people are not able to improve it. The reason being actually most people don't even know why acid reflux is happening. So today I'm going to talk about that one remedy that is going to help you get rid of acid reflux. But before that, I want to talk about why acid reflux is happening so you have a better understanding of what is going on in your stomach that is causing this symptoms of acid reflux. So let's first talk about what are the symptoms of acid reflux or acidity that people might be going through. Because some of the symptoms might surprise you, or you might have these symptoms and you might be given a different diagnosis of IBS or something else. So the most common symptom of acidity or acid reflux is that people feel a burning sensation in their stomach or chest. But that is only one symptom. The other most common symptom of people is that they have this food coming back in their throat, or also they have a metallic taste in their mouth. The third symptom is that they feel bloated, or they have too much of gas going on in their stomach. As soon as people eat food, they feel gassy or they feel bloated that they cannot eat food, or they even feel nauseous or sometimes even do vomiting after eating their food. So that is again a sign of symptom of acid reflux. People can also have asthma issues or runny nose issues and frequent sinus infections. That is another sign of acid reflux, because the acid actually silently goes to your throat and in your lungs as well as in your sinuses and irritates them, and that is what we call as silent acid reflux. And a lot of people are going through these issues of sinus problems. They are going to the ENT doctors, and in reality actually it's the acid reflux causing their symptoms. The next most common symptom is bad breath. Yes, a lot of people are complaining of bad breath and they have been going to their dentist for several years, have done a lot of dental work, but the bad breath doesn't go away, and that is actually because of acidity or acid reflux issues. The next one is chronic cough. If you have constant clearing of your throat, or you have this nagging cough which just doesn't go away, you have tried all different medications, you feel that your throat is always dry, then that is again because of acid reflux issues. So these are the most common symptoms that people with acid reflux or acidity can cause. Now the main question a lot of people have is that, well, why should I be worried about acid reflux? Can it cause long-term issues? So yes, acid reflux is a dangerous situation and you should not ignore it. The reason being, acid reflux on the long-term basis can lead to certain kind of cancers. It can lead to ulcer formation and bleeding in your stomach. It can cause infections in various parts of your gut, as well as it can lead to deficiency of protein and other vitamins and minerals in your body. So yes, acid reflux can cause a lot of long-term problems. Now let's talk about why people are having acid reflux issues or acidity issues. So the most common thinking is that the acid reflux is happening because your stomach is producing excessive acid. Now that thinking is absolutely wrong. It is not a production of excessive acid in your stomach. Actually, it starts with indigestion in your stomach. Most of the time, or sometime, a lot of times we are not eating proper diet, where we have eaten something outside or something greasy, or we have eaten too much, or sometimes our stomach is not able to produce enough stomach acid for various reasons, and that lead to indigestion of the food. Now the indigested food stays in your stomach and starts rotting, and that rotting of the food in your stomach causes inflammation of the stomach that leads to gastritis, and that ultimately causes acid reflux symptoms and also reflux of this acid back into your esophagus, and that's the reason you have all of these symptoms happening. So actually it is the poor diet and also indigestion which is leading to the acid reflux problem, and not just excessive production of the acid. So when actually you are taking these PPIs, which are the acid suppressant medications, you are harming your body than actually doing good. So that's the reason it is very important to work on this root cause approach of improving your digestion and also stopping this acid reflux through natural approaches so you can feel better. So now let's talk about what is this number one remedy which has worked wonders for several of my clients. So this number one remedy actually has three components to it. The number one component is actually improving the digestion in your stomach. For that we use ginger. Ginger is a powerful spice which has several antioxidant as well as digestion properties. Ginger supports your stomach to produce more stomach acid. Ginger is anti-inflammatory, so actually reduces inflammation in the stomach. As well as ginger also helps to get rid of that indigested food in your stomach by improving the mobility of the food into your GI tract. So ginger, include that. That is first part of this remedy that you need to include. Now how to use ginger? You can use ginger powder, in this remedy, or you can do a ginger tea, or you can do a ginger juice. All of those three things can be done in this remedy of using ginger. The second thing you need to use is aloe vera juice. Yes, aloe vera is a wonderful compound which has several healing properties for your body. Especially it is very healing for your property, especially when you have the gastritis. Research studies have shown the aloe vera actually coats your stomach from inside, and actually it gives you a relief from that gastritis symptoms that your body is going through, and reduces inflammation in your stomach and thereby improving your stomach functioning. Now the important factor over here is that a lot of aloe vera juices have preservatives and even citric acid added to them. So it is very important to get an aloe vera juice which is without these preservatives as well as citric acid added, so it doesn't actually increase inflammation in your stomach. So that is the second part of this remedy. By using this aloe vera, you actually coat your stomach with this aloe vera, which reduces gastritis and makes you feel better. The third component of getting rid of acid reflux over here is actually zinc carnosine. Now zinc carnosine is a great supplement which is made by adding zinc and L-carnosine together. Now this supplement actually have couple of research studies which have shown that it has improvement in the GERD, acid reflux problems, as well as even for people who have ulcer issues in their stomach. So the way zinc carnosine works is actually by multiple levels. The zinc carnosine actually helps in improving the mucosal layering of your stomach. This mucosal layering is a protective layering in your stomach, and most people with acid reflux issues either have less mucosal layering or it is destroyed completely, and that's the reason your stomach cannot protect itself from that indigestion material in there. So zinc carnosine actually increases that mucus production, so that thereby increasing the protective layering in your stomach lining for it. So it also improves the repairing of any stomach lining which has been damaged because of this acid reflux or indigestion problem. So you see, this magic remedy actually works on three different components: by improving your digestion, by actually reducing gastritis, as well as the works on the mucosal layering by protecting your stomach. And if you do all of these three things together, it actually works great for all of my patients, and they see a significant improvement in their acid reflux. All of these three things are easily available at a regular pharmacy shop, so you can get it, or a health food store, and you can start using it. I hope this helps you with your acid reflux. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.